Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb eat up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb eat up is to feel a negative emotion so strongly that it's difficult to think about anything else. The police officer regrets a decision they made. I'm eaten up with guilt. I shouldn't have let him go because he committed a murder afterwards. A salesperson missed out on their target. The regret is eating me up. If I had tried a little harder with my last client, I'd have met my target this month. Meaning two of eat up is to use large amounts of available time or money. The company account manager highlights an issue during a meeting. Running that promotion ate up a large amount of our monthly budget. We need to be careful going forward. The group project is running over the time allocated. This project has eaten up so much time. We're running into the time slot for our upcoming tasks. Meaning three of eat up is to like something so much that you want to hear or see more. This meaning is commonly used in a negative way. For example, if something bad happens to someone that somebody doesn't like, they would be eating it up. The staff member damaged their chances of a promotion. Another employee seems happy. I'm glad this has happened. I'm eating it right up. I'm now in line for the promotion. A celebrity couple broke up. The media are really enjoying it. Social media activity has skyrocketed today as our favorite couple have broken up. The public are really eating it up. So let's look back on what we've covered. Eat up can mean to feel a negative emotion so strongly that it's difficult to think about anything else. The woman is eating herself up about how bad she performed in the interview. To use large amounts of available time or money. Having children eats up a lot of a family's income. To like something so much that you want to hear or see more. The audience are eating up every word from the comedian. Where did you hear the phrasal verb eat up? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.